Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel
Good afternoon.
TV,
Is everyone excited to be here?
Great breaking news. Yes.
Well, I'm Karen Snow, Global Head of Listings here at NASDAQ, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all to NASDAQ Market Site, located in one of the world's most iconic destinations, the crossroads of the world in Times Square. Every year when the UN General Assembly convenes and the world's leaders gather in Midtown in an effort to strengthen global peace and prosperity, we get to prove it. At NASDAQ, as the world's leading global listing exchange and capital markets technology provider, we have the privilege of hosting world leaders. And this afternoon, I'm honored to present the Honorable Bola Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, along with Scott Eisner, President of the U.S. Africa Business Center and Senior Vice President of the U.S. Chamber of Commerce. President Tinubu is the 16th President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria after his inauguration on May 29, 2023. An experienced politician and elected official, President Tinubu has previously the executive governor of Lagos State from 1999 to 2007. As a result of his effective leadership as governor, he was named the best governor in Nigeria by the Nigerian-Belgian Chamber of Commerce, as well as receiving several other awards. Congratulations. Nigeria is a multi-ethnic and culturally diverse federation which represents the largest population and economy in Africa, and NASDAQ and the NGX, the Nigerian Stock Exchange, have worked together for decades, providing the Nigerian exchange with state-of-the-art technology. President Tinubu, this is an honor to have you here today with us, and we look forward to continuing to support the Nigerian Exchange Group and to its growing relationship with the leadership, companies, and people of Nigeria. Now, please join me in welcoming the Honorable Bola Tinubu and Scott Eisner to the podium for further remarks.
Welcome, everyone. The U.S. Chamber for over 100 years has stood beside businesses across this country but across the world to open new doors and find new trading links and partners. We're so excited for the opportunity to share in the future of the U.S.-Nigeria relationship. At the Chamber, we stand for small and medium-sized enterprises, the actual pillar of what Nigeria is built on. And with the President's vision and his compassion for those that are investing in his community, I think we share a very bright future to achieve everything that he and our country have in the future. So thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Scott. It's a great honor for me to be here. I am happy to bring Nigeria to your doorsteps and honored that we are here today with a bubbly market that will evolve. West Africa's sub-region, the greatest economy is Nigeria. There's an immense opportunity in Nigeria that you can invest your money without fear. We've removed a lot of bottlenecks. We've cleared the oil subsidy that is corrupt, and we have also retooled the exchange rate to a reliable, dependable, one-figure floating of the exchange rate. You are free to take in your money and bring out your money. I count on you to invest in Nigeria. Be confident in you. We're so honored to have you here with us today. Thank you
so much.
Thank you.